In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your business time zone in settings. Getting your time zone right is essential for accurate scheduling, consistent timestamps on reports, and clarity for your team and clients. A small mismatch here can lead to missed meetings, confusing email send times, or invoices stamped at the wrong hour, so let's walk through it carefully and make sure everything lines up. Start by opening the settings area of your account. On most dashboards, you'll find a gear icon or a clearly labeled settings option, typically near the top navigation or along the left sidebar. Click it to open your main settings page. This brings you to the place where global account preferences live, and it's exactly where the time zone control is managed. Inside Settings, locate and click the section called Basic Information. Depending on your layout, it might appear as a tab across the top of the page or a menu item on the side. Basic information is where your foundational details are kept, such as your business name, address, and other profile elements. And it's also where the time zone setting is housed. Once you're on the Basic Information page, scroll down until you see the field labeled Business Time Zone. If the page is long, take your time and move past the general profile details until you reach the time-related settings. This field determines the default time reference for your account, and many features, like calendars, reminders, and automated tasks, depend on it. When you find Business Time Zone, select the time zone that matches where your business primarily operates. Most interfaces present this as a drop-down list, often grouped by region and city. If there are multiple cities sharing the same offset, choose the one closest to your location or the one that reflects your daylight saving time rules. It's usually better to pick a city-based option rather than a generic GMT offset, because the city entries adjust automatically when daylight saving begins or ends. After you've made your selection, click Save Changes. The Save button might be at the bottom or top of the page, so look for it before navigating away. Give the system a moment to update and watch for a brief confirmation message indicating your settings have been saved. That's it. Your account will now display times in the zone you selected, keeping your schedules and records consistent and reliable. If you work across regions, this single change helps ensure everyone understands exactly when things are happening based on your business's official clock.